What's up? I am enjoying my quarantining and building time, by the way, not quarantine and chill. And I wanted to make this quick video and just kind of share my thoughts of really what's I'm seeing changing. And this has to do with businesses, local businesses, and business owners in general, and what really we can do. Because there's obviously a lot of things out of our control, but there are definitely things that are in our control. So the first people I think about are brick and mortars that have had to close their doors and really focus on delivery and takeout, which that's what you should be focusing on. That should be your primary focus when it comes to making sure that you can still be open and make money, and because that's what people are going to be doing. Bottom line. And obviously Uber Eats and all these big delivery companies are just, their stock's probably the only one going up. But as a brick and mortar, just control what you can. And that is what you can. You just change your marketing strategy to push takeout, delivery, and that way you can continue getting that traffic. So that's brick and mortar. Everybody else is obviously has a lot of their business online, and there are other brick and mortars that really don't have that food service. They're like a gym or some like a salon. I don't know. There's a lot of other types of businesses that are going to be feeling the impact of this. So, but I can only really, share some ideas when it comes to if you have that option of a delivery and a takeout option. But everybody else, either way, now is the time to obviously just continue producing content and letting people know whatever updates there are going on within your business, so they can be well educated on knowing really what's going on with you. So you definitely want to share that, but use the platforms, continue to use them, and actually use them more. More eyes are on search and social than ever, probably, because no one really is going out. They're all really home, and they are online. So take advantage of that. And again, I know this is it's not to take advantage of people's fear and concerns of what's going on. You're adjusting. You're taking advantage of a situation in a good way. You're making adjustments. So that's all. Oh, and one more thing. Now, for anybody that is using this time, they have to work from home, or they're just completely off work. Really use this time to start that new business. Really think about what you want to do and start building it, creating it, writing it, whatever you need to do. Just go into solitude, creative solitude, work solitude, building solitude, and actually manifest your idea, your passion, your whatever it is that you want to build and create. And now's the time to use it wisely and don't waste it on just chilling. So that's all I want to leave you with. If you are a business owner of any sort, I'd love to hear what's going on with your business, how it's been affected, what changes that you are making, so that you can really just hang in there. But also, as a community, support everybody else around you. I'd love to hear your comments on that. So go ahead and leave them or shoot me a message. And I wish everybody Godspeed. That's stupid. Just do the work, all right? Don't sit there and get distracted. Just do the work.